is finally going to be banning new funding to the Wuhan lab. What else do we need to understand about that pandemic?
What we need to understand is what the government was doing during this pandemic, which was not telling the American people the truth. And we now see that. And we have the scientists who came out, for example, and said the origins of COVID came from nature. Yet in their private conversations, they were saying, no, this really looks like it came from the lab. But let's just put that aside. Why are we putting it aside? For international harmony. Oh, can you imagine, and these are quotes now, can you imagine the S show that'll occur if someone credible says this came from the lab, and what that would do for China, and what a setback this would be for our science? And one even so much as said that, you know, I don't like when science becomes political, but we have to. And the American people don't know that. They don't know it, and neither do a lot of educated people.
Yep.